My name is Dimitrios Daillidis. I come from Greece, and my position is as chief engineer on cruise vessel VASCO Da Gama. I never done another job. This is my job which I follow all of my life, and I serve in different type of vessels: cargo vessel, offshore vessel, and cruise vessel, which is my largest, let's say, area of my work. The engine department consists with about 65 crew members, which separate in different, let's say, divisions. It's electrical, hotel maintenance, secretary, storekeepers, and of course for the engine room. My daily routine, of course, it's to control, to coordinate with all these divisions for a better operation of the vessel. The last dry dock in Snave, which was about 2 months ago, we have done a lot of renovations in the vessel. The most important, of course, is the installation of the high voltage shore connections, which will be compulsory for 2026. Is the new requirements for the emissions, especially for the Norway and for the Heritage Fjord, which they implement the zero emissions policy. For me, this part after the dry dock is the most interesting and the most challenging. The total environment in the vessel, it's very good. The cooperation between the bridge with Captain Michalis and with Captain Adrian is very, very good. We have very strong teamwork, let's say, which is very important and for the general environment and feeling of the vessel.